Alright, the other day we got this Kitchener chicken plucker. We don't have a lot of chickens to pluck, less than 20. We got like 18 we're going to pluck. So we're processing a small amount of chickens, and this is the it's a lower priced unit. These are some of the features on it right here on the box. So I'm going to take it out of the box and then we'll show you what's in there. And then later on, when I got it all assembled, we'll show you how it works. Let's see what's all in here. I don't know if it needs assembly or not. Let's see if I can lift it out here. It's pretty heavy. It's kind of wedged in there too. See if I can get my hand over it. Okay. Boy, it weighs about 80 pounds or something. It's pretty heavy, especially when you're trying to lift it out of there. Are you recording it? Okay, so it looks like there's the shaft on the bottom, and the manual's stuck to the bottom. I didn't know that, so I set it on the floor. Good thing I didn't drop it too hard on the floor. That shaft's sticking out the bottom. Well, you put the motor on it. So we'll go from here. Okay, we got those carabiners and little hooks off of there. So I'm gonna lift the top off. Let's see what all's in here. Okay, what's
the leg?
Okay.
See the leg?
So everything's in there.
It's got wheels too.
It's kind of hung in there on them. The rubber fingers. Okay. And there's your. I guess it goes this way then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless you have to take that bottom piece out and flip it.
No, the motor goes. No, you don't flip it.
You don't flip that, you don't think?
This down here gets flipped over. You put the legs on.
Okay, I see. They had it upside down. So yeah, here's your base, right? I didn't look at that. There's the motor right there. There's the cord and your legs and some wheels. Okay, looks like you just need to put the 3 legs on it and mount the wheels on it, and then just take and reattach that. Now I could just take this and put it right on there. Okay, so I got it all assembled now. When you get it, this is upside down and the motor is on the inside of the tub. And also this is upside down in there. So basically the legs, it's pretty easy assembly. 2 bolts holding each leg on, a pin and a washer for the wheels. Flip it all upside down, and you'll need to take this ring off to get the plate out. And then the plate is held on with 1 bolt and a big washer. Just bolt that on and just make sure you line this up. It's a switch, sensor switch, that tells that the drum is on, so you don't turn it on with these without having a drum and then somebody gets their hand caught in there or something. So that's basically it. And then, just put this all back on there, put these little carabiners back in there, and you're done. So it's a real simple thing. And the switch is right here. It has a circuit breaker right there if you need it, if a chicken binds up in there or something. I'm gonna switch it on. There you go. This spins faster than I thought it would. Also, it has a ground fault interrupt on the cord. And when I first time I started, I had to press the ground fault button. That turns it off. This trips it also. That's a way to test the ground fault. So that's it, guys. These fingers, they're very rubbery. You know, they're very flexible. Let's say they're flexible, very flexible. Wouldn't worry about that. They got little ridges on them to pluck the feathers. And there's this here. Some of these, they got some fingers facing downwards, so that as you're plucking your bird, the feathers, you'll be rinsing this at the same time. Run some water in there, and it'll wash the feathers down in that. And then these that are facing downwards will push the feathers out this hole right here, so you can put a bucket right under that hole. That's it. Pretty simple. I'll try it out with some birds the next day or two. We'll see how it goes. Looks like you could put probably 2 birds in here, 2 normal sized chickens, maybe 1 turkey. You know, and smaller birds you could probably put 3 or more. I think it's supposed to be 20 inches across here. Pretty good size.